Once the chapter is typeset, proof pages can be generated using the action Generate Proof. The action is available in the Chapters, Tab View and Sequence screens. To generate proof from the Chapters screen, single-click on the green bar of the chapter, then select the action Generate Proof. A pop-up with the proof round and preset options will be displayed. Both round and preset options are customizable for a site. Choose Final Round if a book has already been finalized. PDFs generated for all rounds other than Final will have embedded hyperlinks. Select the appropriate option and then click on Proceed to complete the action. When the action is initiated, the system locks the file in your name till completion of the task. If you have selected this action by mistake, you can cancel the action here. The status of the action will be displayed in the notification bar here, like Queued, In Progress and Complete. If you are performing the same action from the sequence page, you can select multiple files and also specify a custom start page number where needed. When multiple files are selected, the pagination engine uses continuous page numbering across files. If an INDD file is not available for one or more files in the selection, an alert comes up. You can choose to upload the missing file and trigger Generate Proof again, or ignore the alert. If you wish to update the table of contents automatically, enable the Execute TOC checkbox. A gray lock indicates files selected for batch run. A process icon against a file indicates that it is the file currently in process. Notification will be received for queued, in progress and completion of each individual file and the batch run. The automatically generated table of contents will be available in the front matter. Do remember to generate InDesign and proof of this TOC file whenever there is a change in pagination. Whenever Generate Proof is run, a PDF and an editable version of the PDF will be created in the Review tab. This can next be reviewed online using WYSIWYG, PageMajik's online proofing interface.